So I'm racing a 69 Dodge Dart 340 GTS. He came in with a 1292 or 1291 to my 1292. Weather's a little different now. $125 on the stripe. GoPro says $12.99, so it'll probably be somewhere in between a $12.95 and a $12.96, I'm guessing. Good race. I got him on the tree, or he spun. I don't know. I just know that his 60 foot and 330 should have been quicker, I would think. Now we'll run it back a second time. We'll switch lanes. $12.95. 108.72.